Alright, so in that last video that I had the truck with the engine just swapped, I found out that I actually had the distributor about a tooth or two off. So I changed that. I also need to get a smaller belt for this, because I found on this one, on my old 360, there was a threaded hole on the actual head, kind of like this one on the corner there, but this side doesn't have one. So I need to actually get a longer bolt, because there's another hole. See it down there, right there. So I need to get a longer bolt because that's actually a larger hole than the original one was. So I can mount up that and have my alternating water pump running. But for now, let's just see if it'll start real quick. I have since I have a hole in my pan, I just have it just sucking fuel out of a jerry can for now. So right now I gotta turn on the coil. I just have it on the switch for now. Just starting to get fuel. I bet the fuel bowls are probably empty. Yeah, pretty sure they are. I need to probably adjust the timing a little bit on her. Let's get it straight out, so a little bit, see if that makes a difference or not. If it doesn't want to idle there, I think that just advanced, I think I need to retard it more.